lesson 1-3 with that crazy.
I fixed it.
3. It looks like a crooked check mark here.
Oh.
Hi. Welcome, Long.
Bigfala Lesen. Blong.
Bislama.
Welkam
Maek.
Sell.
Jon.
Today's lesson is brought to us by Crest.
A real sponsor.
But not really, we didn't know anybody for this. We just like Crest.
I've just been using
Because
this for the
yours...
last 6 months.
Holy shit, really? There's so much left.
I don't need a lot. It's like a pea
You do
size.
have pearly whites.
It's a pea
You
white.
do have very pearly whites. Because the 3D white works so well.
I actually have 2, so this is for the morning because it's super sweet, and the other one's for nighttime because it's like super harsh.
Because Mike's super sweet in the morning and super harsh at night.
And it's the exact
Ladies.
opposite. I'm not a morning
Ladies.
person. Overall sweet, yeah.
Aw.
Ladies.
Yeah. But remember, you're not fully clean until your Crest fully clean.
Oh, okay. Today's lesson, after that smooth segue to the lesson is long, which does not mean.
But wait,
Oh,
you're welcome, Shell.
I did. I always forget. Thank you, K2. K2's always so nice.
Thank you, Michael.
She works the kava for us, and she provides some for me.
BS.
That is BS. K2 just drank some of my shell.
Meaning that John gets happier.
John can drink more kava than me every day, so it's only fair, right?
Yes.
What do they call me in your village, John?
Mike.
No, the other one.
Teaspoon.
Yes,
What do they call me in my village? And pretty much everywhere.
John.
And? Tanker.
I never heard that one before. Here, they don't say that.
Last night, your uncle / chief kept on calling me Tanker.
I wasn't there for that.
Oh yeah, you were. You were all over the place trying to make the internet.
I was the host, and I was hanging out with Matt and Fiji too. a little
No,
bit.
this was way before that. It was when you were trying to fix the network.
Oh yeah, I do IT. Cheers. That was more easy.
Mine wasn't. By the way, more easy was great Bislama grammar because they don't have the ER form, they just said more.
There's no most either.
No.
Nope.
Oh, for sure. it
So lesson 13 I just erased means long, which, and it's very, very, K2, you comfy?
is. You have something to say, K2? Hey, K2, you got something to say?
He just really likes cheese balls.
I love cheese balls. That should have been our sponsor.
Nice tricky. Long, which
Low.
is also said as low because it's easier and
You're
softer.
getting low. Don't show the water, they didn't pay us.
Yeah, I still want to eat some. You talk to the camera while I get these out.
So long can be used to show direction. So, such as like, where are you going? Me by me go low store. You stop go where? Me and me stop go long store. Long where? Long store.
John,
Huh?
you stop long where now?
Me stop long ren sorry. So it's like where you at?
Yeah.
Except for it's not because that's not correct English. It's where are you?
Okay, you stop long house, long who?
Me stop long house long Mike.
Yes, this is my
Long
house.
Rensari. I'm at Mike's house in Rensari. So it doesn't matter whether it's at or in, which in English is very confusing for people that don't speak English. It's just long.
It's basically
Hey Mike, long one time by you me to go long Nakama.
after. But you mean finishing something here first time?
And me want to go now.
Oh, but you mean no sabe go now.
From you me got work low make
You me
Hmm.
2,
Hmm.
3. You mean
Three.
3.
Mm-mm.
You make
You me 4. You me everyone.
You me
You too.
everyone. You got
We should
last
do an
sentence.
on location.
That's a knock 'em all?
Yeah.
Oh, let's do that tonight.
Yeah.
You me everyone. You got lesson first time.
Mm-hmm.
After, you me go long knock 'em all. Knock 'em all long kava.
AKA kava bar.
Yeah.
So,
Custom traditional knock 'em all.
is it traditional tonight? I've never been to this knock 'em all. I'm saying.
Oh, it's not traditional. It's just a traditional word, a custom word. Not yeah.
Right.
Kava bar is a little more. Yeah.
So, long can be used when talking about times, locations, and the action of going to those locations.
It's your go-to preposition for pretty much everything.
Except for long,
Except for long.
which is mostly your go-to.
We said that was 45% of your.
And long is the other 45%, and then the other 10% is like Welkam.
Yeah.
And
Welkam,
about them and behind.
which are really easy to understand if you come from an English background already.
Actually, Welkam is
Just with.
pretty much with across the board.
About is also just about.
About. But if there's a direct object, it's about 10. And behind them.
Yeah,
Hey Mike, behind you!
Oh, cuss.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Oh, God.
I will
Sorry.
even thinks it me dead.
Oh. So that pretty much sums up long.
Let's
We
go to
did
the knock
great.
'em all. We're done.
We didn't do our
Oh yes, we have shit to do.
you're cursing a lot. This is the PG-13 lesson. It's Bislama After Dark.
It is getting kind of dark.
It
We're
is.
about to miss Kyle, you guys.
Almost 5 o'clock.
Let's talk about
K2, ball me. Ball me. Ball me.
the real answer to this whole lesson is through future lessons and past lessons. Just pay attention to when we say low and long, and you should pick it up because
I don't want it.
Such a big word. I don't even really know how to break it down.
It can't
to its parts.
it can't even be done in one lesson.
I don't even know how to break
It
it
might
down.
even be in on a lesson. Long term.
So for this week's French lesson, let's talk about the days of the week, shall we?
We're
Cheese
undefeated.
ball.
We're undefeated when it comes to
Cheese ball, you
basketball.
go long mouth.
Long mouth, where did it go?
Belong me. Belong me.
You
Okay.
go long where? You go long mouth, long mic.
Yeah, so we got.
Oh, we're ranking.
Oh, heck yeah. They've never seen the days of the week. Monday.
We didn't days of the week yet?
We
That's
didn't.
spelled wrong. I don't agree with the spelling.
It's the official.
No, it isn't. It's what Frank says the official is. There we go.
Yeah, I know.
Latvia.
Bislama is super.
France is
adaptable.
not the colonizer anymore, Mike.
I know.
Sorry, Frank.
English for the win.
Alright, I get one. I lied.
Wednesday.
Did you just buy this?
Oh my god, they say Thursday like.
It's not
This-
Thursday, it's Tuesday.
This is how they spell it.
It's
though.
wrong.
Thursday.
Change the A to an O. I insist.
I kind of actually agree with that. I've never heard Thursday.
No, it's wrong.
Now this one I agree with. Friday.
Saturday.
Sometimes Sabbath.
No. R. Saturday.
You have an
No,
R
two.
in yours?
No,
What's
two.
your Saturday?
You don't say Saturday, you say Saturday.
I don't.
Yes, you do. Take out the T, I promise.
Okay, let me just
Take out the T. The T is
take out the T.
Put in an R.
Oh my gosh, I'm doing this. Follow me for a moment. Sat.
I. There's no hard consonants.
There is Sunday.
That's probably not the camera.
So these are the days of the week in Bislama. Think of this as almost a mini lesson.
Bonus, but only in French, not to be explained in English.
This is the week, also known as French as the La Semaine.
That's what she calls.
Yeah. And then I'll get to my lesson because we're hungry at this point. Give us a break.
We've done like 5 lessons in one hit. I bet the first one's Lundy.
Hey! I didn't know you knew French. First one is lundi. So Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi.
It's like Mardi Gras.
This is the fun one. Wednesday. Wednesday.
Well,
Wednesday.
they're mentioning
I know, that's how they put it in here,
The
but
French don't know Bislama. They don't
I
mention
I always hear this as Wednesday. Wednesday. Which is Mercredi.
I like McCready. My favorite one.
Mercredi, also known as Hump Day back home.
No, we're not doing English. It's only for the French.
Sorry. Thursday. Vendredi.
No, that's Friday, dude.
Oh, I skipped one. Sorry, you're right. It's J-U-D. J-U-D. Friday is Vendredi. After Saturday.
Saturday.
Saturday or Saturday?
Saturday. You roll the R.
I'm sorry, I say it different here. That's
Sabado.
no,
Oh.
someday. Same day. That's same day. Same D. And then this last one is Sunday, which is
Domingo.
what? That's like an animal from Australia. This is
KT, do you have anything to say about that?
Dimanche.
No.
Dimanche.
Dimanche. It's like Digimon.
Digimon.
Dear Jon!
Digital monsters
Digimon.
are the champions.
I make so much cheese dust all over. We're gonna ruin this Dear Jon.
This whole episode is so cheesy right now.
Cheese. Can't find much cheese in Vanuatu.
That is so
Super
true.
dark.
Let's make this quick.
We'll get lighter. Open the
Stay
door over
stop.
there.
Stay
Open the door
stop.
over
Stay
there.
stop. Stay stop.
Wait, I'm doing Dear Jon.
Stop.
Okay.
Okay, 1 through 4.
2.
Open
1
the
through you do your letter 2. Get ready. 1
Ready.
through 9.
1 through 9.
It's not helping out John's complexion. 8.
I'm
Can't
not
see
half-cast.
John at all,
Give me
actually.
one half cast.
Ooh, the word is. Where do I write it? Bonum. Which is both to burn and to birth. So, between its very distinct case uses, it should be clear as to what you intend to mean by
So
that.
if you're saying me bonum one pickaninny, you're clearly saying I'm burning children.
If you're a male. Between women, it's a little more confusing. Yeah. That's it. Okay.
Bonum. Whoa.
There's more to this.
Dear Jon.
I just meant this.
Oh,
Opposed
she
to
was
my
about to
book.
stop the camera.
K2.
Producer/director
Jumping the gun.
was about to jump the gun. You're right.
Last thing.
Let me take some juice real quick. And thanks again to our sponsor, what was it? Oh, I want to answer mine. Yeah, whatever. It's fine, I want to.
Protein. Cool. Give me a break. K2, have a bit. Seem to be all about that.
So,
Kava.
it's amazing how these Dear Jon letters always have to do with the topic of today's lesson. It's like they know ahead of time.
I think because we put it up on our website. Check it out.
That's all they need to know. www.
Don't tell them that. That was the joke. You watch the sexy. That's the joke.
.com. So, he said it. You just have to pay attention. Today's Dear Jon letter comes from Nicole. Nicole writes, Dear Jon.
She sounds blonde.
She is blonde. And she seems a bit distressed as this whole thing is written in caps.
Caps lock is cruise control for cool.
Handwritten. Handwritten.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Not even a caps lock. So
No.
pencils and pens.
Nope, doesn't exist. Dear Jon. Help me, help me! I guess I have to yell it. It's written in caps. Help me, help me! Me stop long. There's no topic, I don't know. Me stop long.
Long where? Linger.
Lingerock.
I can read that. Sorry, I know that's a bit of a scribble. Linger.
Yeah, I know. The caps is screwing me up. Me stop long lingerock. Mo, me no got any service belong TVL or Digicel.
How many? How many? Yeah.
Hmm?
You won them.
Oh,
TVL,
you're
you won
supposed to be
them.
doing the translations, first of all.
TVL, you won them. Oh.
So, in Vanuatu, there are 2 mobile cellular phone providers. One of them is TVL, which is Telecom Vanuatu Very Limited. Because right now we have no TVL service here where we're supposed to have it. So Telecom
CC.
Very Limited.
CCC.
Which means yes, yes, yes. The other one is Digicel, which is also not very good.
Except for if you call them, they have the greatest on-hold music.
Digicel.
Sell. It's a digi. It's
Oh wait,
a
she goes
digi,
on.
It's a digi. Sell.
It turns out that I actually do have satellite phone, but that costs 99 cents a minute.
Kind of sus.
So I was wondering if you could help me. Blong, pay him telephone bill long me.
Telephone bill blow hem.
No, Nicole, that's not how this works. That's not what Dear Jon is all about.
How
No,
many-
I can't help you.
think so we make money doing
Yeah,
that?
I know, right? I think we made 8 cents. Thanks for watching those ads, guys. Love ya. Have a nice night.